Okay guys, hello again. So this is week 4 at BOSKANTER and week 4 of my Rebel with a Cause, the life of a token expat video series. Yeah. Okay, so today I chopped some more wood, but that's boring. Y'all already saw that like for 2 weeks already. So now we're taking these cardboard boxes and I'm going to rip all of the plastic off of them, and if there's any staples on them, I will take the staples off because we're going to use these boxes to plant. Last year Dirk and Ine used them to plant potatoes and it works very well, so they're going to use them again this year for planting other things like fruits and vegetables. And you can use these cardboard boxes, which is a good way to recycle, and you can use these cardboard boxes and put mulch on top of them, Dirk said, and then it keeps the weeds from coming up in the grass too, so that all you have is like 100% crop, or like as close to 100% crop as you can get, so that you don't have so many weeds coming through and choking the plants and vegetables. So I'm going to take all the plastic off these boxes and staples if there is any. I doubt it, but I'll see you guys later. Okay. So here is the hazelnut tree I'm getting ready to plant at BOSKANTER. So forever, just like Lela and Abby, I'll have a tree planted at BOSKANTER. Here's my tree. Here. Anyway is okay, Dirk?
Yeah.
Here?
Anyway is okay.
Okay.
Push it a bit.
Yeah. Wait.
And then you crumble the soil a little bit.
Okay.
And at the end, sometimes you can cut like the grass. It's good to put the grass back on top of it.
Yeah.
And if you do it in 2 pieces like this.
Yeah. Oh, one on each side. Okay.
You easily can push it.
So 2 pieces. Put here. And here. Okay. Two pieces. 1 and 2. And then I'll stump down with my foot. Ta-da! Hazelnut.
It's a brown one.
Don't, I just want a video. Don't touch it.
Oh.
Ah! I don't like to touch them.
No?
Ew, no.
It's a brown frog.
Is it poisonous?
No. You're good because they eat slugs.
Ah, yeah.
And
From the tomatoes, yeah. Slugs like tomatoes, I know that. Okay guys, good morning. It's around 11:30 and I'm gonna go. We just finished the bread, well, about an hour ago. And now I'm going to the greenhouse and I'm going to feed the greenhouse because it needs it. And then in around 1:30 we're going to shape the bread. So here's the greenhouse. It's cold outside today, a little bit chilly, and I'm going to weed. So So this is the pear chocolate surprise for Hazel's birthday. Right, Tinka? None for you, yo rat. Pumpkin Pool, say hello. Are they coming, mamas? French toast with chocolate and raspberry sauce. Broccoli with cheese and onions. Why are you always trying to interrupt our videos? Sorry. Always trying to hog the spotlight. Wanna be celebrities. Egg. That's still steaming, thank you Jesus, with sauteed lettuce, okay, and garbage salad, but we call throw everything you find in the salad, and then that's pretty much the nearest dressing you can find. That's pretty much what we did with the egg and the French toast. Goodbye. Come back with that dead rabbit. Ew, disgusting. Disgusting. Ew. Ew. This peasant soup?
What
kind of lettuce is this?
Where is your dog?
At school.
Oh, yeah, of course. So it's enough?
Yeah.
Because your own left.
Would anyone like to be in my peasant soup video and say hello to the people?
Hello? Yes.
Sada?
No, Emmy.
Emmy? Dito? Do you mind?
No, of course not.
Ciao! Say ciao.
Ciao.
Jesus, would you like to be in the video?
Ciao, I don't have my crown on. So
Okay,
I'm not
Jesus. Say hi,
today.
Jesus. Jesus is in BOSKANTER. Okay.
You have to talk with my manager.
Yes, Jesus.